Okay, what you are looking for here is to find out what the graph is for this. So if you've got y equals sine of x, it doesn't quite match. So you're going to need to bring it down a half a unit or up a half a unit to match. So that would be one that would match. Now, all you've got to do at that point is have this exact same graph moving up or moving down. And so you would rewrite it so that you've got one down from it, and then you write another one, so you've got it up from it. So you're just going to have a whole, right here, you're going to have a whole list of graphs so that every single one matches up to what's here. And that's it. That's all you've got to do for these.